If you're looking for Marx toys, this video is for you. My name is Emma, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time you can click this circle in the corner, and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Ready? Let's start. Number 1, by Marx. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, another great product by Marx. Number 3. Choose your favorite Marx toy. Just click this circle in the corner. Number 4, by Marx and Classic Toy Soldiers Incorporated. Number 5, by Marx Medieval Toy Knights. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click this circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.